So here we have the 3.4 RSBS. So we'll walk around the outside and familiarize you with a few things here. Outside TV mount, plug-in, and cable plug-in. Tinted glass, awning light, awning speakers, electric awning, operated from inside. Trailer is equipped to accept side view and rear view camera system. Doors have magnetic holders. You have stabilizer jacks on all four corners of the unit. Tabletop barbecue bracket. Here's the handle for the jack. In case you lose power, there's a little plug at the top to insert the jack handle. You have electric jack with a light to aid in hitching up at night. Two 30-pound propane bottles full. Crossover regulator tells you which side it's drawing off of, and it will automatically draw off the other one once this one's in. Spot for batteries. Breakaway cable. Another little light. Pass-through storage at the front. You have 3 slide outs on this unit, so keep that in mind when parking. Leave adequate room. Storage underneath the master bed. You have city water connection, potable water to fill your holding tank, and sewer flush. Now it reminds you to open the termination valve before using this feature. You have outside shower, hot and cold water, and black holding tank with the black handle for your toilet, gray for sinks and showers. This is where you're going to hook your sewer hose on at the dump station or into a sewer system. You have a twist lock connection. Hot water is electric and propane. And I'll show you inside where the functions for those. Make sure this door is closed, as the furnace exhaust is right below it. Don't put anything around that. You have low point drains for the tank, fridge vent for overhead stove fan. That's another fridge vent at the top. Here's your cable input. More storage in the back here. Yes, a little bit more storage there. Equipped with a ladder. Rear view camera can be mounted right here. Portable barbecue. Has the quick connect system. And a little lever to get the gas to flow. Connected in behind the rear bumper. You have the fold-away stairs fold into the unit, just like so. There's a little blue lever to release them and a handle to aid in putting them down. Okay, going into the unit, you'll notice right straight in you have a monitor panel. Tells you the condition of the battery. Fresh water, black tank, that's your toilet tank. Gray, that's your sinks and showers. You have 2 of those. And you have water pump to take the water from your fresh tank. You have water heater, gas, or water heater electric. Slide out operates from here. 2 main ones in the living room, and your awning. In and out. There's out, there's in, and also lights inside and your awning light. Now putting the main slide out, push and hold, making sure when you're traveling nothing fell down in behind. You can see it moving out here, and get ready when it gets to the end here, you'll see, and right there. Now the other one is the Schwintek slide. A little different sound. And that's your fridge and stove and TV going out. Again, looking for obstructions. Make sure nothing is falling down. And there you are. So you have dinette here. 2 lounge chairs with tables, pull-out couch, pull the cushions off, pretty self-explanatory. TV, stereo system up top here with DVD and CD player, fireplace with remote. Your fridge, first button turns it on. Mode tells you what you'd like, whether it be hydro or gas. Temperature setting is this button. And then, microwave, same as your one at home. Overhead fan and light. Stove. Select the burner and hit the striker. You'll notice there's lights to illuminate the handles and an oven light. When the gas is turned on, the knob will be red. Nice safety feature. Hot water tank is behind this compartment when you're going to do winterizing. There's a couple of valves to switch in there. Here's your converter, your breakers, and all your 12-volt fuses. Okay. Now your heat. So the thermostat is right here across from the entry door. Mode, select what you'd like. Little snowflake, that's your air conditioning. There's the heat symbol, there's your furnace. And your temperature is on the right hand side. And back to off. Bathroom, shower, skylight. You have a fan up here, and your water pump is hidden right here behind this cabinet. Toilet, push down on the foot pedal part way, it'll put water in the bowl, and then all the way down to flush it. Master bedroom. There's a switch to the left for the slide out, and you'll see, similar to the other ones, push that out, and right there, let your finger off. A spot for a TV right here, cable right here and plug in. USB ports and a 12-volt charging spot here. Your trailer is wired to accept solar, and hidden in behind here, this trailer is equipped for washer and dryer. And big closet. And that concludes our tour. Thank you very much.